Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup CRM records nightly with Make.com step by step clearly. First, log into your Make.com account to get started. In the top right corner, click on the Create a New Scenario button. Select the desired CRM application from the list of available services. Authenticate your CRM account following the on-screen instructions. Once authenticated, drag the CRM module into your scenario workflow. Choose the appropriate action, such as Get Records to retrieve existing entries. Configure the module settings to specify the criteria for the records you want to backup. Next, add a new module by clicking on the plus icon. Search for and select a storage service where you want to backup the CRM records. Authenticate your chosen storage service account if prompted. Drag the storage service module into your scenario workflow. Set the action to create a file or upload a file, depending on your storage service. Map the data fields from your CRM records to the corresponding fields in the storage solution. Now, you need to set a schedule for nightly backups. Click on the clock icon in the top left to add a scheduling module. Choose the frequency and time for your nightly backups. After scheduling, connect the modules in your workflow to ensure a seamless data flow. Review your scenario and check for any errors or missing configurations. Once everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom right. Run the scenario manually for the first time to ensure that it operates correctly. Monitor the output to confirm that the records have been successfully backed up. Finally, enable the scenario by toggling on the switch at the bottom. Your nightly CRM backup process is now set up and will run automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.